Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge or swap your tokens from the Fantom blockchain into the BNB smart chain. All right. Now, this is something I want you to do because the Fantom blockchain is being phased out and they are being upgraded or migrating to a new blockchain called the Sonic blockchain. All right. I call that blockchain the fastest blockchain in this crypto space. Now, I have seen what that blockchain can do. I have interacted with the Sonic blockchain. I mean, their Blaze testnet, and it was really, really heavy. I mean, you'll find that video to that interaction somewhere around this particular video. All right, so let's get right into it. So I'll go ahead. I'll be using my MetaMask browser to show you how to swap or move your coins or bridge your tokens from the Fantom blockchain to Binance Smart Chain. So I'll open my MetaMask wallet and sign in now. All right, so thumbs up to one of my subscribers who requested that I do this video. All right, so I do listen and I do read the comments. Do well to request whatever you want me to treat in my next video. I'll be reading the comments. All right, leave a message for me in the comment section on what you want me to treat in my next video. So let's get right into this. Now, this is my wallet, my Ethereum wallet on my MetaMask. So if you can see here, I have different blockchains here. We are going to be using the FTM Opera blockchain. We are moving our tokens from the Opera blockchain to the FTM Opera blockchain to Binance or BNB Smart Chain. All right, these two chains here. So I'll go back and I'll have to switch my wallet to or my network to the Fantom Opera network. So I'll just do that, and you see Fantom Opera is now active. Now, this is my Fantom wallet. All right, you can see my balance here. I have FTM, I have Seki, Cronje. This is a meme coin. I have Blue Kirby. These are meme coins I bought sometime last year, December. And you can see the values are very, very low. They're beginning to pick up gradually. So that is that. Now, what we're going to do is on my MetaMask, I'll click on this button here. All right, I'll click on this button here. This button right here. Now that button is the browser feature on MetaMask. So once I click on this button, it brings me right here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button here. All right, I'm going to click on this button. This is a search bar. I'm going to enter the address, the following address in that bar. So I'll just do that. I'll click this button, and the next thing I'll do is, let me reduce this. I'll wipe this and type in spooky.fi. All right, spooky.fi. This is SpookySwap. So SpookySwap is residing on the Fantom blockchain. So we're going to access the bridge from there. Now, once I am here, I'll have to connect my wallet. All right, it seems I already connected my wallet from the last interaction I had on this, but I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to disconnect my wallet again. So I'll click on this button at the top right here and click on disconnect. So I show you how to connect your wallet. Now, once I do that, once you hit the address bar and it brings you to this page, you'll find this connect button at the top of your screen. So I'm going to select MetaMask as what I want to use to connect my wallet. Now, once I click on connect, you can see my balance is sitting pretty right there, right? So that is my balance here. You can see my balance right there. So that is that. Now, I want to swap my tokens from excuse me, from Fantom blockchain to Binance Smart Chain. We are not just swapping, we are going to be bridging. So to use the bridge feature, we are going to go to another address. All right, but you see this button right here, you click on it, this button right here. All right, once you click on it, it displays this. All right, we're going to use the bridge feature. We're going to use the bridge feature. All right, we're going to use the bridge feature. This here, you click on this. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll click on bridge, and then it takes me straight to this page. Now we have three bridge features. Now, bridge and cross-chain swap. For maximum security, use the following links to visit bridge websites directly. All right, so I'm going to use the Squid Axel. Right, the first one here, that's what I'm going to use. This one here, this one right here. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'll click on that and it will take me outside of MetaMask. Now, what I'll simply just do is I'll come here and copy the URL. Whatever we are doing, I want to do it inside of MetaMask. So I'll just copy the URL and then I'll close my Edge browser and go back to MetaMask. All right, once I am here, I'll just click on the address bar again. I'll click right here to enter the address I just copied. So I'll hit this and then I'll paste the address I copied a moment ago. So I'll paste that in and then I'll hit enter. Now, once that loads up, excuse me, once that loads up, we'll be greeted with the interface. All right, just a moment. Now, once you get here, you have to connect your wallet again because this is a different application, all right, other than SpookySwap. So you see the sign in button here is the button you're going to use to connect your wallet. So I'll click on sign in and then it will ask me to choose a wallet, connect wallet. So I'm going to use MetaMask. You can see I have MetaMask installed. So I'll just click on MetaMask and then it should sign me in or connect my wallet to MetaMask. So you can see it has connected my wallet to this particular app. You can see my balance here. So I'll just close this like so. And I'll be asked to choose what network and what token I want to swap. All right, I'm bridging right now. So we are on a bridge provider. So I'll come here, I'll click this button right here, and it will bring a list of chains. You can see them. All right, so I want to swap my tokens. I am actually connected on the Fantom blockchain. You can see that already. So I want to swap my FTM tokens, my Fantom tokens to, I'll choose right here. At this point here, you have to select the token and the blockchain you want to move your FTM tokens to. All right, so that's what I'm going to do right away. So I'll just come here and click on this button to select the token and the network I want to swap to. So I'm swapping to Binance Smart Chain or BNB chain, and I want to get, once I click on this button here, on this tab here, I want to choose the coin I want to get. When I swap my FTM tokens, what token do I want to get in return? So I'll choose from this list here. For easy, the guy who I'm doing this video for says he wants to swap to BNB. All right, so I'll have to just select BNB. So you can see BNB on the list. So I have activated this already. I want to swap my FTM tokens to BNB tokens. So I have to enter the value. I want to swap, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to swap just 2 FTM tokens to BNB. So I'm going to get this value of BNB on the other side. Now, this is a process that it takes to happen. All right, so this is the root. It's takes my FTM token, it wraps it up, and then it swaps the wrapped FTM token to USDC on this particular swap, or it uses Wiggle swap, and then it bridges the USDCL to BNB chain. And after that, it swaps the USDC to USDT, and then it swaps the USDT to wrapped BNB, and then it unwraps BNB, and I get BNB on the other side. So in my wallet, same wallet, all right? So that is the process. So I'll click on swap. Once I'm okay, the fee is very tangible. I mean, $1.1 is the fee that I'm going to be charged. Now I'm swapping 12TM that is worth $2.6, and they're going to charge me $1.1. That is crazy, I must say. Now let me see if I make this 20 and see how much fee I'll be charged. All right. Now, regardless of how much FTM what I am swapping, the fee is reasonably good. All right, so I'm going to go okay with those 2 FTM tokens. All right, so I'll just type 2 there, and then I'll just click on swap. Now once I click on swap, I'll have to confirm the transaction. All right, so he's waiting for confirmation. I have to click on confirm. Confirmation rejected, go back. Okay, so I have to try again to see, maybe there was an issue. Click on swap, waiting confirmation. Click on confirm. I'll click on confirm. Good, so I'll click on confirm. And then I'll wait. So I mean, this is simply how you can actually swap your tokens or bridge your tokens from the FTM blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so let's wait and see if this goes through. All right, it has gone through, and it's confirmation taking too long. Transaction has been submitted, as you can see here. So let's wait and see what happens. All right, now the process, you can see how the process is going. Receive BNB on BNB. Okay, I'll click on OK. All right, so we have to go see. I used to have 21 FTM tokens. Now I have done that swap. If I come here and check my transaction history on this place and check here, I might see what actually happened here. So I'll just go back maybe. All right, so that is that. If I go back to my wallet, let me see if I have now remember, I swapped some of my tokens from Fantom to BNB chain. So I'll just come here and change my network to BNB Smart Chain and see if my token is sitting right there in my wallet. All right, so let's see. So I understand that sometimes it takes a couple of while for this to really happen. All right, so I could just view this transaction on the Axel swap. It takes me straight up to my browser, my Edge browser. Let's see the status of this transaction and how, if it's completed or not. So I'll just wait for it to load. Excuse me. All right, so this is a process I have received. Okay, this was how it's gone. It's sent out the chain. The source chain is Fantom, the destination chain is BNB chain. So the asset is 2 USDC, 2.6 USDC sender, and then this is the address I sent out from. This is the recipient. The time it spent or time it took. All right, so charge fee 0.07. So okay, I mean it has gone through. All right, so it's gone through, and I'll have to just check to see if I get that in my balance. So I just go back to my MetaMask browser and see, go to my browser, my balance. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's how to swap or bridge your tokens from the Fantom blockchain to the BNB smart chain. So I'd like to advise that when you want to try this, you might want to do this with some little amounts before doing it with the exact amounts you want to transfer or swap or bridge over to the BNB chain, just like I did here. All right, so this has reflected, I've seen my balance increase by 0.0036 balance. All right, so that is how to do it. Now, thumbs up to you. Please do well to leave in the description whatever you like me to treat in my next video, and I'll do well to treat it. All right, I'll see you next time. Please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that yet. I'll see you in the next video.